I'm here today to tell you a little bit about the BP 333 manual water activated tape dispenser you just purchased. We're going to cover today the setup, operation, and maintenance of the BP 333. But before we start, I wanted to congratulate you on your purchase. The BP 333 is the most popular tape dispenser in the world today, with over 1 million currently in place. Once the dispenser has been removed from the carton, setup is pretty straightforward and you should be up and running in just a few minutes. First, open up the front cover and make sure that the tape guide has not been dislodged during shipment. Then, move the weighted tape plate down and close the front cover. Open up the back cover and remove the brush kit from the back of the machine. Take the brushes out of the brush tray and wash them in warm soapy water and place them back in the tray, being careful to make sure that their angle is in the same direction as the tape that's being dispensed from the dispenser. Then, put the whole water reservoir back into the dispenser in the front until it clicks into place. Take your water bottle to the nearest tap and fill it up with water till it's almost full. Bring it back to the machine, place your finger over the hole, and put the water bottle on the machine like so. This will allow the water reservoir to fill up to about here, and it will stop by itself. Then, open up the back cover and place the tape that you'll be using in the back of the machine with the gum side down. At this point, you want to make sure that the two tape guides let the tape run smoothly, but are snug enough so that it's not banging around inside of the machine, as you can see with these tape guides here. Feed the tape over the black feed bar, through the upper tape guides, under the tape plate and the feed wheel until it stops. Close both covers, and you're ready to go. When you're ready to tape the box, set the tape guide for the appropriate length. In this case, I'm using a 12-inch box, and I want 3-inch overhang on either side, so I'm setting the tape length for 18 inches. Pull the handle down gently and release to activate the cutting motion. Grab the tape on either side, like so the adhesive does not get on your hands. Place the tape on the carton, fold the major flaps over, and gently wipe down the tape to activate the adhesive. On rare occasions, you may experience a tape jam. Tape jams are easy to remove and usually occur in the same place right near the shear blade. To remove the jam, take out the tape plate and set aside. Pull the tape back out of the dispenser and cut the tape, the damaged part of the tape, off. Feed it back under the feed wheel until it stops at the shear blade, and replace the tape plate, like so. Close the cover, lift up the front weight, and remove any debris that you might find here. Test the dispenser by pulling the handle forward and releasing, and you're back up and running. Maintenance on the BP 333 is very simple. Over time, the brushes can accumulate hardened adhesive. If this happens to your brush, remove the brush from the dispenser, place it in a bucket of warm soapy water overnight. The next morning, remove the brush from the water, and with a soft scrubber, remove the rest of the adhesive from the end of the brush tips. Place it back into the water dispenser, and you're ready to go.